Exploring modal verbs, navigating negatives and questions. Hello, learners! Welcome to another exciting video in our Intermediate Grammar series. Today, we're diving into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on possibility and probability in their negative forms and questions. Let's unravel the mystery behind these important language constructs together. Modal verbs are special verbs that we use to show possibility, ability, necessity, and permission. Today, we're emphasizing those that deal with possibility and probability, such as could, might, may. But wait, we're not just exploring these in their usual forms. We're adding a twist, the negative forms and questions. So, instead of simply saying, I might go to the party, we could also consider, I might not go to the party, or might I go to the party? Modal verbs have unique negative forms. For instance, the negative form of may is, may not, could, becomes, could not, and might turns into might not. Often in spoken English, you'll hear these contracted as mayn't, couldn't, and mightn't. Let's put these into practice. Positive: I may finish my homework. Negative: I may not finish my homework. Notice how the meaning changes when we use the negative form. Questions with modal verbs can express uncertainty or ask for permission. They follow a simple pattern. The modal verb comes first, followed by the subject and then the base verb. Let's see some examples. Might I borrow your book? Could we possibly have a break? Again, the use of modal verbs here changes the context of the questions. It's time for some practice. Here are some exercise sentences to convert into negative forms and questions. 1. They might visit the museum. Negative: they might not visit the museum. 2. She could finish the project on time. Question: could she finish the project on time? Repeat this exercise with your own sentences to get more practice. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on modal verbs, dealing specifically with possibility, probability, their negative forms, and questions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep converting those sentences to gain more confidence. We hope this video was insightful and that you're feeling a bit more comfortable with these language constructs. See you next time. Happy learning!